Hey everybody, it's Anobi. So you remember that Billie Eilish song where she does the thing for 30 seconds without stopping? Well, you can do it. I'm going to do it when this timer hits 30. What that means is when I start talking after that point, it'll be continuous 30 seconds without stopping, just like she supposedly does with editing in 2, 1. Yes, the way this works is it just forces lots of oxygen, more oxygen you would get in normally into your head. It makes you slightly lightheaded, but it's really good for doing what I'm talking about, which is why I'm going to continue talking until at least 30 seconds, which we're now at 15 seconds to go. That is how good this is. You should really give it a go if you really want to be able to do that little trick. I mean, a lot of people do. That's probably the strategy they use, and it's actually a really simple one to do. Divers use it, other people use it. You should give it a go, and I'm still going on one breath. That's how good this particular strategy is. And you know, because I continue talking without stopping once, and 40 seconds, I'm going to take a breath. Didn't even feel that difficult. I could have gone longer with continuously talking, so I wouldn't say it's super impossible. And a lot of them are saying it's so difficult, you can't do it, only she can. No, you can. I've got asthma and I can do it. I'm also out of shape. Yeah, it's not that difficult. Debunked. Enjoy.